अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आज हमारे पास इंग्लिश का लेक्चर नंबर 26 है, जिसमें बात करेंगे लेटर नंबर 14 के बारे में। लेटर टू योर सिस्टर थैंकिंग हर फॉर अ गिफ्ट। सबसे पहले पैटर्न बात कर लेते हैं। एग्जामिनेशन ऑल कॉमा सिटी ए डॉट बी डॉट सी डॉट, उसके बाद डेट आएगी। डेट के बाद डियर सिस्टर, इट वॉज अ प्लेजेंट सरप्राइज व्हेन अ पोस्टमैन अराइव्ड एट आवर होम, knocked at the door, handed over me a parcel beautifully wrapped in colorful gift paper. I brought a parcel to my room, put it on the bed, and opened it with indescribable curiosity. It was thoroughly delight I was thoroughly delighted and excited to see an expensive golden Swiss wristwatch. I was badly in need of it. I lost my wristwatch a few months ago during a school trip. Since then, I had been in a great trouble in keeping the time. This watch has also alarm day and day features to keep me well aware of every passing second. What are these features would help me to keep wearing it even while performing ablution. I hope this watch will help me to rise up early and manage my schedule promptly. I will definitely take care of this priceless gift and keep it to my heart. Every tick of this watch will remind me of your love, care, and affection for me. Pay my regards to all at home and especially love for little niece. Yours affectionately, X dot Y dot Z। तो ये था हमारे पास लेटर। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज।